The mystery of the number 12 in the Bible, hidden divine code. Tribes of Israel, 12. Amazing biblical connections. Sons of Jacob, Genesis 35, 22, 26. The foundation, Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, Benjamin. These sons became the ancestors of the 12 tribes. 12. Tribes encamped around the tabernacle, Numbers 2. Each tribe had a specific location around the tabernacle, tent of meeting, during the Exodus. Shows order, unity, and divine structure. 12 spies sent to Canaan, Numbers 13. One spy from each tribe was sent to explore the promised land. Only Joshua, from Ephraim, and Caleb from Judah came back with faith and courage. Represents faith versus fear among the tribes. 12 stones from the Jordan River, Joshua 4:1-9. After crossing the Jordan, each tribe took one stone to build a memorial, symbol of God's deliverance and unity of the 12 tribes. 12 tribal leaders, Numbers 1:5-16. Each tribe had a designated leader named and chosen by God through Moses, shows divine authority and structure among tribes. 12 loaves of showbread, Leviticus 24:5-9. In the tabernacle, 12 loaves represented the 12 tribes and God's continuous provision. Replaced weekly, this was holy bread before the Lord. 12. Oxen under Solomon's bronze sea, 1 Kings 7:25. Solomon's temple had a great basin resting on 12 oxen statues, each facing a different direction, represented all 12 tribes surrounding the temple. 12 precious stones on the high priest's breastplate, Exodus 28:17-21. The high priest, from the tribe of Levi, wore a breastplate with 12 stones, each engraved with a tribe's name, shows God's love, protection, and remembrance for each tribe. 12. Gates of the New Jerusalem, Revelation 21-12. The heavenly city has 12 gates, each named after one of the 12 tribes of Israel, a symbol of their eternal place in God's kingdom. 12 Judges of Israel, Book of Judges. While not perfectly matching tribe for judge, there were 12 key judges who led Israel before the monarchy, like Samson, Deborah, Gideon, reflect the spiritual and moral leadership among the tribes. 12 tribes offering sacrifices, Numbers 7. Each tribe brought equal offerings during the dedication of the tabernacle, a symbol of unity, equality, and devotion to God. Jesus chooses 12 disciples, Matthew 10, 1-4. Jesus' choice of 12 apostles mirrors the 12 tribes, creating a new spiritual Israel, reflects the continuity between Old and New covenants. The mystery of the number 12 in the Bible, symbol of divine government and authority. In the Bible, the number 12 represents God's perfect governance and divine order. Example 12 tribes is God's people, of apostles is spiritual foundation of the church, gates is entry to God's eternal kingdom. Why 12? It's 3, divine perfection, X 4, earthly completeness, M 12, so it symbolizes heaven and earth in perfect unity. 2, a number of completion for God's people. Old Testament, 12 sons of Jacob, 12 tribes, whole nation of Israel. New Testament, 12 apostles, spiritual Israel, universal church. Meaning, it's like saying all of God's people, fully represented. 3. Heavenly architecture is built on 12. In Revelation 21, the New Jerusalem has 12 gates, 12 tribes, 12 foundation stones, 12 apostles. The city's walls are 144 cubits, 12 by 12. Mystical meaning, God's eternal kingdom is structured on 12. It's his divine pattern. 4. Balance, order, and structure. Ancient calendars had 12 lunar months, 12 hours of day and night, 12 signs in the zodiac, recognized even in ancient Near Eastern cultures. The Bible mirrors this cosmic structure to reflect harmony between creation and revelation. 5. Repeated use in sacred rituals. 12 loaves of showbread in the temple, Leviticus 24. 12 stones for remembrance, Joshua 4. 12 princes of Ishmael, Genesis 17:20. This recurrence ties ritual, memory, and identity to the number. In simple terms, 12 is God's way of saying, this is whole, This is complete. This is my divine structure for my people.